Let's see if the ants have found it. Whoa, check it out, everybody. The ants have officially found the baits. Look at them. So what I did before I put it down, I actually squished it and made a little bit of liquid come out, but look at all of the ants all over this thing. So each one of these ants is getting a piece of this and taking back to the queen. You can see they're inside the actual like bait box. What I'm going to do is just leave this right here because I want them to pick all of that up and then take that back. So yeah, we'll let them go ahead, keep feeding on that. And I think that'll take care of my ant problem in here for you anyway. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this liquid ant bait from the company Stem. And what this is an anti-repellent like type of ant bait. So what it does, the worker ants will come and get the bait and then take it back to the colony and then feed the colony and also feed the queen, and it will wipe out the colony. I'll just go over it here. It kills the queen and colony, excluding carpenter ants, harvester ants, and pharaoh ants, and fire ants, because most of those are more insect based. This is like more for sweet ants. And this is a 4-pack of bait stations in here, and the active ingredient looks like it's called spinosad. You want to put it along the bottom of kitchen baseboards, around the corner. What I did, I put it in the corner of the house, around the edge of the stove there, and you can see what they do. The ants will come in here, they'll go through, they'll get a piece of it, and they'll go back and they feed it to the colony. That's exactly how that works right there. So let's just open it up and see what these things look like. I've already actually used them, so I know what they look like. You can see how it's a 4-pack right here. Let's just take one. And it's got the active ingredient on the back of it here. What you're going to do, you're just going to peel this off right there. And then you're going to put this down wherever you see ants and try to remove anything else that might be kind of pulling them towards it. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just got ant problems. You can put these inside and outside, by the way. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Stem liquid ant bait. See you on the next video.